Mickey waffles in the morning.
Yummy yogurt, I want to eat it.
All right. Captain Duffy's. Oh, there's Cinderella. No drones, folks. He said it's been on fire.
Alright, get off of that.
Bora, Cay, bora, Pedro.
This way, please.
Love the vegetation here, it's so pretty. The water is very pretty and turquoise today. So we're headed to Heads Up Bar. Number 8. But it's a parasail. It kind of looks like a hot air balloon from a distance away.
Did you bring that? We're gonna get off at Scuttle's Cove and see.
No.
Have a great day. Remember to listen for the shift.
The swimming stuff's up here too.
Okay, we're heading to go check in at least Isabella. Isabella's ready to go over here.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
We're getting ready to go snorkeling, so I'm gonna get my underwater camera out for that, but we gotta pick up our snorkeling gear here at Flippers and Floats. And then we're gonna go right over. We just checked on the kids at Scuttle's Cove, and they are both off plane and busy doing important things. So I put some more sunscreen on them, and we're gonna go eat. They've already eaten in the Scuttle's Cove. So they're independent women. We're gonna go to, we're thinking about going to eat and then possibly going to Serenity Bay, which is the adults only area. I love those flowers. I've been taking pictures of the different foliage to bring home with me. There's some neat ones over here too. Bunch of salads. I got the chicken sandwich and Dan got a hot dog. There's barbecue pork ribs, chicken, mahi-mahi bread, big cookies, and a pineapple crumble cake. Look who we found! It's the Jones family! Hey guys! Jones family from Jones Family Travels. We're gonna follow them around, and they made us, I don't know, dust us here after a while. I remember.
I think we're gonna go and
So these are the bikes, and I'm actually remembering really quickly right now how bad I am at bicycle riding. So we'll see how this goes.
I was like backing up, I'd go like an inch, and then I'd go another inch, and then I'd go another inch.
I know. No one's ever used it.
So we were riding around the bike path that it rides along here to this tower, and we came up to the top, and look over there to the side, there's a rainbow coming out of the clouds. How perfect.
We are all headed back to Cargo Holiday and your Disney cruise ship. At the stop, you will find Landis Barges, Innovation, parasailing, fly fishing, glass bottom boat, rigid hull snorkeling, troll fishing, bottom fishing, sandbar adventures, backcountry fishing, and snorkeling. If you did get a lot of sun today, be sure to keep lotion on your skin and keep drinking plenty of water. And as Nikki says, we hope to see you real soon.
Sure. I've forgotten how to make compass.
What now?
I have forgotten.
No, I was asking Isabella.
Please stay seated until the carriage of 4 careful keep belongings and take small children by the hand. Look ahead and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.
So we just rode on the aqueduct, which was super fun. I think we're gonna go do it again. But here's one last view of Castaway Cay. We are getting ready to leave port. Everyone is on the ship. It is gorgeous, and about 4:45 in the afternoon. We've got time to go do the aqueduct about one more time, and it'll be time to go to dinner.